a solitary eagle.
We have people on YouTube who are very nice and very generous. And for those of you that are streaming today, listen, this is all your show. I'm going to shut up here in just a minute. A couple things I wanted to comment on. One of them is the school system changes here in Duval County and what names we should decide to use, because it was a unanimous vote. The schools will be the names will be rechanged. Will be changed, not rechanged. No, they're going to be changed from what they are from Robert E. Lee and God, I forget all the other ones. I think they're just Stonewall Jackson or something, right? And then the Aunt Jemima syrup, but also Domino's Pizza under attack for something that happened 8 years ago. Something that happened 8 years ago. Kayleigh McEnany, you know her, she's the White House press secretary. And when she was, I don't even know how old she is now, but 8 years ago in 2012, before she was the press secretary for anything, before she was even in politics, before Donald Trump was president, before Donald Trump had even announced that he was going to be president. This happened 8 years ago. It was in the midst, right in the middle of the Obama administration. She tweeted out on November 8th, 2012, fun fact, Domino's is way better than any New York City pizza. And Domino's Pizza, also on November 8th, 2012, tweeted back, "That's one heck of a compliment, Kayleigh McEnany. Thanks for the love. Hashtag we appreciate it." Then, yesterday, Rick Wilson, who you may remember Rick Wilson, he was one of the guys being interviewed with Don Lemon about 6 months ago when they basically were making fun of Donald Trump supporters and pretending that they were hillbillies and rednecks, and they started talking these really offensive voices. He's one of those, he's a never Trumper. He's a Republican, sort of. He's from Florida, which is really annoying, but he is one of the staunchest never Trumpers ever in life. He hates Donald Trump, and he hates his party for supporting Donald Trump. So he yesterday retweeted an 8-year-old back and forth between Kayleigh McEnany and Domino's Pizza and wrote, "You just killed your brand. Hashtag ETTD." Which, do you know what ETTD means, by the way?
ETDE?
ETTD.
ETTD.
Yeah, he wrote,
Every taco tastes delicious.
no, what